Hi and welcome to Cooking from Scratch. In this video we're going to be making the best ever potato salad. So to begin, we're going to boil some potatoes. We're going to leave the skins on and we're just going to boil them in a big pot of water with a little salt added to them. And I've got about 4 pounds here, but you can scale the recipe up or down depending on your needs. While the potatoes are boiling, I'm going to go ahead and prep our other ingredients. So I'm going to use 1 large onion and I'm going to finely mince this and set it aside. I'm also going to finely mince 3 medium pickles, and I'm going to set that aside as well. After our potatoes are fork tender, so you should be able to stick a fork in it and the potato falls right out. And then that's an indicator that your potatoes are done. It usually takes around 20 to 30 minutes. And once the potatoes have been fully cooked, I'm going to drain them into a colander. And then I'm going to cover them with a clean dish towel and let them steam for about 15-20 minutes. Once potatoes have steamed and are cool enough to handle, the next step is we're going to start peeling the skins off our potatoes. I like to use a paring knife. Sometimes you can peel the skins off with your fingers directly. Whatever method works for you is fine. Once our potatoes have been peeled, we're going to cut them into about 1.5-inch chunks and we're going to set those aside. Once we have all of our potatoes cut up, we're going to add our onion and pickles, and we're also going to add 1 cup of Italian dressing. This is a secret ingredient. I'm also going to add a teaspoon each of salt, pepper, and dill. And then I'm going to smash up some hard-boiled eggs. For about 4 or 5 pounds, I use about 6 or 7 hard-boiled eggs. Again, you can scale this up and down to your liking. And then I'm going to combine all of our ingredients here with about 1 cup to 1.5 cups of mayonnaise. And we're just going to combine it until it's all nice and homogeneous. And here's the finished product. The best ever potato salad. If you like this recipe, remember to like and subscribe for more videos like this.